Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to sign up for Uber Eats driver in 2025. First of all, open any browser on your mobile or PC and navigate to ubereats.com, or you can just go to the search bar and type in Uber Eats driver sign up, hit enter, and this will take you to a link that says become a delivery driver using Uber Eats. Click on that link and click on the get started button under this page. So click on get started and it is going to open up this page. Here you'll have to enter your phone number or email. So you can also click on continue with Google, Apple, or log in with QR code. I will click on continue with Google. After you click on continue with Google, select a Google account and confirm your information, enter your last name and choose your mobile number. Click on next and it will instantly send a 4-digit code to your mobile phone. You'll have to simply enter that code that you received. Now choose I agree and click on next. After this, you'll have to simply click on continue. Now, you'll have to select your language and click on continue. After you do this, you'll have to choose where would you like to earn and click on next. So basically select the city where you want to work. Now, choose how you want to earn with Uber, whether you're going to deliver with car, bicycle, rides in New York City, or deliver with a scooter. So choose any one of these and click on continue. Now, after you click on continue, you'll be taken to another page where you'll have to enter the zip code for driver's license, enter the social security number, and this will prompt you to another page where it will ask more questions about your identity, like driver's information, driver license if applicable, your information, your social security number, or your identity. After you fill out all the information asked on the next pages on this website, you'll be instantly signed up as an Uber driver on Uber Eats. And you'll be easily able to pick orders, deliver it, and earn real money by doing this. So, that's a simple way through which you can sign up on Uber Eats as a delivery driver. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.